Hey, welcome to Padu Motivations. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Vion window sunshade. And this is going to fit right in the front windshield of my 2023 Tesla Model 3. First of all, it comes in a nice convenient package like this, so you can always, the easy storing. And all I'm going to do is open it up like so, and it comes here nice and like that. So all you do is open it up, and there you have it. And then you have this, and all we're going to do is install it right in the vehicle. Okay. So how you want to do it is, let's go into the vehicle now. To replace the sunshade right in the carrying pack is, all you want to do is you want to just hold this with your, you want to take it like this, fold it, and then you want to hold it with two hands like this. One hand you're going to move this way, the other hand you're going to move the opposite way. So it's like a letter S configuration, or letter 8, or the number 8, and then you just fold it like so. Fold it like so, and then just put it right back in the bag. Sometimes you got to work with it just a little bit. Okay. You're all set. Okay, now we're going to install the Vion sunshade, and I usually put the little shiny side out. And by the way, this Vion shade costs $25 at thevionparts.com. If you use my referral link, you'll get an extra 10% off that. I'll leave that referral link right in the description. So put it like that. You have a little Velcro fastener right here. You put that in like so. So far that fits pretty nice, and you're going to use your sun visor to secure it more. You put it down like that, and there you have it. So that's going to provide a lot of shade, and that's going to decrease the temperature of your cabin significantly. Again, go to my referral link to get the 10% off. Please like and definitely subscribe. Hey, we'll see you at the next video. Thanks. Okay. And that's what it looks like, the Vion sunshade from the outside.